Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import emails from another account to Gmail. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and then when you're in Google, go to the top right corner and click on Gmail. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import emails from another account to Gmail. So importing emails from another account into Gmail is pretty straightforward. If your old email account supports POP, enable it in the settings. You can go to the gear icon, so in the top right corner, then click on See All Settings. Then navigate to Accounts and Import, find the Import Mail and Connect option. Then when you do that, you need to go and find the Import Mail and Connect option. Of course, after that, you need to follow the prompts to sign in and allow Gmail to access your old account. You can import emails, contacts, and even forward new emails for 30 days. Then click Start Import and Gmail will begin transferring your emails. This process may take a few hours or even days, depending on the number of emails being imported. You can check the progress in Gmail settings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.